Okay, man, after a little consternation and gnashing of teeth, I was able to get my breakfast tacos at the AM/PM, fresh and hot off the griddle. I also got carnitas, slow cooked. Haven't tried these yet. We'll see how they are. Gas pump always gives me trouble here because it wants cash, but we got it all sorted. Okay, let's see what we got. Breakfast taco from AM/PM. This is the one with bell peppers, ham. Let's give that a check. Breakfast taco, egg, bell pepper, cheese, ham, onions. Enjoy by 1:03 p.m. Okay, I think I'm under the wire. Contains egg, milk, wheat. Well, I think it also contains ham, onions, and bell peppers. Cheese, I guess, is milk. I suppose that's a warning. No peanuts. What else do people have allergies to? Okay, at this point, it's screaming bite me, so far be it from me to trifle with tradition. It's great. Feliz desayuno. It was really good. Thumbs up. Like it. I'll be back. Bon appetit. Feliz desayuno. Catch you.